Stories of Autistic Success. Jane Austen story. Jane Austen was born in 1775 in England. She is one of the most famous novelists in English literature. Her stories, like Pride and Prejudice, Sense and Sensibility, are still loved and read today. Some people have wondered if Jane Austen had the traits of autism based on her life and writing. Jane loved reading and writing from a very young age. She wrote funny and clever stories even as a teenager. Her characters often showed a strong sense of right and wrong, like most autistics. And they sometimes struggled in social situations, just like Jane did in her lifetime. She paid close attention to how people behaved and what they said, which helped her create realistic and interesting characters. Between the age of 20 and 25, Jane faced many challenges. Her family moved several times and she had to leave her childhood home. She also experienced the loss of a close friend and faced difficulties getting her work published. Despite these hardships, Jane continued to write and improve her stories. One major challenge that Jane faced was the limited opportunities for women during her lifetime. Women were expected to marry, take care of a home, but not become writers. Jane solved this problem creatively by writing in secret and publishing her books anonymously. Her first published novel, Sense and Sensibility, came out in 1811 without her name on it. It was anonymous. Even though she didn't get much fame during her lifetime, her books were well received by readers then and still now. Today, Jane Austen's success is clear. Her novels have been turned into movies, TV shows, books, and yet people all around the world still read her work. Her stories continue to inspire and entertain, showing that her unique perspective and determination made a lasting impact. Like, comment, and subscribe. Offer the customary sacrifices to the algorithmic God. Thank you.